Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video, and this time we have something a bit different but very exciting, and that is because just today the official promo images of the GoPro Hero 11 have been leaked, and in today's video we're going to be sharing them with you and talking about what kind of new upgrades are we going to be seeing with this new GoPro Hero 11. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and to keep up to date with any upcoming GoPro product, whether it is the Hero 11 and also any DJI product, whether it is the Action 3 or any upcoming drone such as Inspire 3, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you watch today's video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. And well, it is that time of the year again. September has finally rolled around, and well, that only means one thing and one thing only, and that is the release of a brand new GoPro Hero action camera. And well, this time it's gonna be the GoPro Hero 11. We still do not have an official release date, but we can expect it to be sometime in mid-September to late September. But if GoPro decides to do the same thing they did last year with the Hero 10, which was released back in the 16th of September, well, we're just about 2 weeks away before the official unveil of this new GoPro Hero 11. But just today, our good friend Roland Quant, which is a very reliable source and he has done an incredible job with the GoPro action cameras, just today he had the official images for this new GoPro Hero 11, so a huge props to him for sharing these images. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at them. So there we have our first look at this new GoPro Hero 11. So you might be a bit confused, because what we have right here is pretty much a GoPro Hero 10 on the outside. I mean, we have the exact same colors, the exact same blue logos, the exact same paint job, for the exception of obviously the new logo, which now says 11 black. But aside from that, we have pretty much the exact same setup that we had on the previous generation GoPro Hero 10. There we have it from the back. We can clearly see that GoPro has sticked with the exact same design. We have the large screen in the back as well as the small one in the front, and I mean, this is pretty much a GoPro Hero 10 with just a brand new logo. Now let's go ahead and talk about the specs, because from the outside it looks like it's the exact same thing. Now the important thing, it's obviously gonna be the inside and what kind of new upgrades this new GoPro Hero 11 is gonna be bringing to the table. But unfortunately, we do not have the official spec sheet as of today. We should have it here in the upcoming days, so stay tuned if you don't wanna miss on the official specs of the GoPro Hero 11. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on that video. But rumors have been going around that we're definitely going to be seeing a larger sensor on the GoPro Hero 10. We had a 1/2.3-inch sensor, which is really small. Hopefully we see a 1/2-inch sensor. That will be absolutely amazing, and that will definitely bring the quality of our low light video to a whole new level. And obviously, hopefully we get 6K with this new GoPro Hero 11. Let's keep our fingers crossed for that, and also for some higher frame rate. But nothing of this has been confirmed as of today. Hopefully we should have some more info for you guys on the specs side of things on the upcoming few days and weeks. Hopefully it doesn't take much longer than that, but we're gonna be keeping you updated. But for now, that is the first official look at this new GoPro Hero 11. Remember, this is going to be releasing in very soon, so if you're interested, guys, make sure you start saving up, because this new GoPro Hero 11 is going to be releasing this month. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.